The history of Afghanistan is a saga woven with the threads of ancient empires, ambitious conquerors, and resilient people. Situated at a historical crossroads of Central and South Asia, Afghanistan's story is one of strategic significance and cultural richness. The dawn of Afghanistan's story can be traced back over 3,000 years to the civilization of the Aryans in the region. This ancient period witnessed the dominance of Zoroastrianism and the inception of the historical Silk Road, which transformed this land into a bustling corridor for trade between the East and the West. One of the earliest recorded empires to rule this land was the Persian Achaemenid Empire, around 550 BCE, under Cyrus the Great, whose rule extended into the heart of Afghanistan. Yet, perhaps more legendary was the conquest by Alexander the Great in 330 BCE, when his Grecian phalanxes left an indelible Greek cultural imprint on the region. Through the rise and fall of subsequent empires, like the Seleucids, the Mauryans, and the ascendant Kushans, Afghanistan continued to serve as a bridge connecting flourishing cultures and religions. With the advent of Islam in the 7th century, the region saw a rapid transition, spearheaded by the Arab expansions. The medieval period was marked by the rise of phenomenal figures such as Mahmud of Ghazni in the 10th century, whose ambition and military prowess carved out an empire stretching into India. The Mongolian Tempest, led by Genghis Khan in the 13th century, upheaved the established seats of power and reshaped the demographic landscape. The rise of the Durrani Empire in the 18th century, founded by Ahmad Shah Durrani, is often cited as a pivotal moment in forging what we recognize today as Afghanistan. It was during this era that the fragments of various tribes and cultures were consolidated into an enduring sovereignty. As the 19th century dawned, Afghanistan stood at the epicenter of the Great Game, a geopolitical struggle between the British Empire and Tsarist Russia. Through a complex tapestry of treaties and skirmishes, Afghanistan emerged as a buffer state, under the stewardship of rulers like Abdur Rahman Khan. The late 20th century saw Afghanistan engulfed in turmoil, with the 1979 Soviet invasion sparking a decade-long conflict, followed by civil war and a Taliban regime that reshaped societal norms with its own stark vision. With the turn of the millennium, Afghanistan stood as a testament to resilience, as international coalitions sought to rebuild and stabilize the nation post-Taliban rule, with figures like Hamid Karzai and Ashraf Ghani at the helm overseeing efforts towards recovery and modernity.